Greetings, 4th graders. I'm going to show you how you can make a folder out of construction paper that you can use to organize research. What you do is you take an envelope. You take envelopes for how many categories you're doing. In this case, I'm demonstrating for the persuasive writing we're doing. There's going to be 3 categories, so I'm going to use 3 envelopes. I'm going to attempt to move this down so you can see what I'm doing. So what I do, actually, first off, is I'm going to fold my paper. Then I'm going to take envelopes. I'm going to make sure that I have them facing the same way, and I want my envelopes to be towards the top. I'm going to take a staple from Mr. Grant's stapler. I'm going to put a staple. So you're going to take your stapler, put it in the middle envelope, and staple it. And I'm going to staple it. And then it'll stay. So now I've created basically a pocket where I can put any work that I'm doing. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the next one right here. Staple it again in the middle, like that. My third one. And go like that. So this is basically what it looks like. So I put the stapler right here, and then that's going to hold the envelope, and as long as you're pretty careful with it. And if they start falling apart, it's something where we can add some other staples to it as well. But as long as you're not pulling and tugging on them, it'll be okay. So that is how you make a folder to organize your research.